Hello, we are pleased to announce the Sir Robert Academy TV educational program. This program is presented by Sir Robert, a dedicated teacher who teaches. For more information, please contact Sir Robert through the following phone numbers: 2255 614 46. We warmly invite students, parents, and the community to follow the Sir Robert educational programs. Sir Robert educational programs on the SIR Robert Academy TV YouTube channel. Thanks. Sir Robert Academy TV is located in Urambo District, Tabora Region, Tanzania.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We have come to an end of our lesson until next Friday. Remember, every Friday we release a new video. Stay tuned, stay blessed. See you next Friday.
Inatosha. Haya, inatosha.